Friends, today we will talk about why he wrote this poem, and what were the purpose behind writing this poem. And friends, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel so that you may get notification of my new videos. Friends, few days ago I uploaded a video on the summary of Rape of the Lock. If you didn't watch the video, then you can get the link in description box of this video. So friends, without wasting time, let's begin our video. So friends, poem The Rape of the Lock was published in 1712 with 3 cantos. So friends, it has 5 cantos, and firstly it was published in 3 cantos in 1712. The poem was extended into 5 cantos and again published in 1714. So friends, after 2 years, Pope added uh, 2 cantos and Clarissa's speech and some other parts, and it he made it a wonderful work. In new edition, Ombra game, Clarissa's speech and machinery of seals were added by Pope. So these are the supernatural machineries that you are just now, right now, looking in on the screen. Seals, machinery, and supernatural machinery. This is actually the mock epic poem, so that's why he is mocking with supernatural machinery this video. So the poem is a mock epic that satirizes the upper class in London at that time. The story focuses on the central character Belinda, whose lock of hair is cut off at a social gathering. So, friends, this poem was written on a trivial subject. A haughty person, namely Baron or Lord Peter, who cut off a lock of Belinda's hair. So, there was a conflict between two families. So, in order to reconcile these two family, Pope was requested by Carol for writing poem in such a way that this trivial thing should be should. The story focuses on center character Belinda's, whose lock of hair is cut off at a social gathering. Although trivial to most, Belinda is outraged that her lock of hair has been cut off by Baron. So she is in a very angry mood. So that's why she takes help of some other ladies and she launches a war against male opposite sexes. So friends, what is the connotation of word rape? So word rape that we usually take, it doesn't mean. So it has different meaning. It has been taken in a humorous way. Rape of a lock. Rape of a lock mean cut. So the word rape has been used by Pope in witty mood. Here rape means cut off of a lock of hair. He is satiri- he is satirizing trivial issue by exaggerating. So if a lock is cut off, what does matter? Nothing is special. So why is need for launching a war? So it is just uh, the trivial matter that should be taken not seriously, but rather humorously. So that's why Pope is not taking it serious. He is actually making the fun that why the ladies are serious and why they are angry on this trivial matter. If the lock has gone, then it will recover soon. These are the natural things. So in the rape of the lock, Pope uses Belinda and Baron to mock two of his acquaintances, Arabella Farmer and Lord Peter. Lord Peter and Arabella Farmer were actually in the acquaintances of Lord uh, Alexander Pope, so they were the friends. The poem follows the events of night leading to the Belinda's horrific loss. So he uses such language that he used language as if it has been done some different thing. So the very serious act. So he is actually using serious language for mocking this trivial matter. So friends, Pope wrote the rape of the lock in response to a request made by his friend John Carroll, a prominent Roman Catholic of time. So friends, his friend requested him to write a poem because Protestants were in power and they were against the Catholic religions. So this fight was between two families, and those families were actually Catholics. So he was thinking that already they are exterminating, they are banishing, they are killing the Catholics. So if the Catholics would start to fight with one another, so they will collapse. So he tried to unite, he tried to reconcile between families, between two families, Arabella and Lord Peter. So that's why, friends, the main purpose of this poem was to write. It was the purpose of poet to write a poem in humorous way, so that their reconcile may take place between two families. Purpose of poem was reconciliation between families. So friends, it was our today's video. If you like, please don't forget share and subscribe my channel. And it's enough for today, friends. Thanks for watching.